With the new StudioLive Series 3, we've taken a different approach to presets. Traditionally, on a digital mixer, your presets will save your input settings as well as your fat channel settings, such as your gate, compressor, and EQ. With the Series 3, we've taken that a step further, and now your presets also save your bus assignments and your aux and effects mix sends. Let's take a look at how that's set up. There's two ways to access the settings for your presets. You can select the Load or Save button, or you can go into the System menu and open up the Fat Channel presets. Here you'll see a list of all of the different filters that are available to choose what you would like to recall with your preset. These can be set up for both the copy and paste settings as well as the preset load settings separately. You can select your preamp, polarity, channel type, bus assignments, aux and effects sends and pans, the select button color, 48-volt phantom power, panning, channel name, mutes, and faders. Having these options available for your presets gives you some flexibility, especially in situations where you may have two different performers on the same instrument, depending on the day. For example, maybe you've got two different bass players. One is really good, plays well and in the pocket, and the drummer really wants to hear it up in his mix to really get in a groove and stay locked tight. But then, on another day, you've got Mr. Slap Happy, and he's all over the place. Well, the drummer doesn't want to hear this person at all, so it doesn't have any in his mix. Plus, with being slap happy, you really need to adjust some of the gain down a little bit more and where it sits in the front of house mix. By having separate presets for each player, you can then recall not only the input and fat channel settings, but also the main mix fader levels and all of the aux and effects send fader levels, allowing you to easily switch between these two different types. Let's look at loading presets. Press the Load button to open up the preset screen. On this screen, you'll see the name of the currently selected channel, the category if you have one set up, as well as some buttons for Audition, Rename, and Advanced Recall. Audition is a mode that allows you to listen to the preset before committing it to the channel. This way, in Audition mode, you can just select through all of your presets and hear how they will sound on the selected channel. If you decide you don't like any of the presets, just turn off Audition mode and you'll go back to the settings that you had before. Advanced Recall is just another way of accessing the filters that we showed you from the Home and Systems page earlier. The category allows you to filter what presets are shown based off of the type of channel you're viewing. Down in the preset area, you'll see a list of the presets and then some basic filters. In addition to the more advanced filters that you can access that we looked at earlier, right on the preset screen, you can also choose to filter out your gate, compressor, and EQ. So if you only want to recall, say, the EQ, but you're happy with your compressor and gate settings, you can choose to do that right on the preset screen. Once you've selected the preset you'd like to load, press the Recall button to load it onto the selected channel. And that covers how our new StudioLive Series 3 presets can really help you in setting up a quick mix and jumping back and forth between different players because of all of the new features that we have in our more advanced presets. We hope you enjoyed the video. Check out the rest of our StudioLive Series 3 training videos to learn more.